Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva to design app onboarding screens for Webflow, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button located in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Mobile App Onboarding to find templates specifically tailored for onboarding screens. Browse through the available templates and select one that matches your design vision. Click on the selected template to open it in the Canva editor. Use the editing tools on the left sidebar to customize the text, images, and colors. To change the text, simply click on the text box and type your desired content. You can adjust the font style, size, and color from the top menu bar. To add images, click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar and search for graphics or upload your own. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the file type you prefer, such as PNG or JPEG, for exporting your design. Save the design to your computer. Now, open your Webflow project where you want to implement the onboarding screens. In Webflow, navigate to the page where you plan to add the onboarding screens. Drag and drop an image component to the desired section of your page. Upload the downloaded onboarding screen images from Canva. Adjust the settings for each image component to fit seamlessly into your design. Use the Webflow designer to add additional elements like text, buttons, or animations as needed. Preview your page to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Publish your site to make the onboarding screens live for your users. Now you're ready to enhance your app's user experience with seamless onboarding screens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.